Oh, it's cold, y'all. It's cold. What's good, y'all? It's Exclusive here with another trucking video. Right now it's 7:16. We're pulling up to Calumet Rail Yard here in Chicago. It's February 25th. It's a Wednesday. We are headed into, like I said, we're headed to Norfolk Southern Yard. Picking up our load and taking it to Avery Dennison and Neenah, Wisconsin. There's really two locations that it could be at this yard. So we're gonna have to find that. It's the app that we use to get through the gate. So now we have to find out where the container is located, and it's down here. And we're picking up 8744. 8744 is the load that we're picking up today. I usually just go by the last four digits. Alright, it should be coming up. Looking for 8744. It's one of these. Yep, this is it right here. Oh, somebody right by me. 8744. Back up into it. I didn't make a video yesterday, but if I would have made a video yesterday, a vlog yesterday, you guys would have seen the blowout that I had. I had a tire blowout, which was unfortunate, but it happens. That's what happened yesterday. I wasn't too far from the drop off. So we just hooked this up. I gotta check the tires, make sure the tires are good. We're gonna need this for the paperwork. Let's put that right there. Make sure that we're locked. Yep, we're locked. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're locked. You know, sometimes, oh crap, I gotta put it like up here. Yeah, these tires look good. I mean, sometimes people hit them, but these tires have the, you say the tread is good. Oh yeah, I gotta take a picture of the seal. I always forget. Yeah, these tires are looking really good. So. Yeah, the tires are looking good. I gotta come back and take a picture of the seal. Now, so take a picture of it. It's good. All right. So now I'm gonna go into this app, create an outgate. We're in Calumet. Pickup number is 5942. Let's see. Seal number is going to be right here. 08045281. And then do 8 a.m. for the appointment time. And now it's going to create an outgate for us, and it's going to make it into a QR code that we scan when we're getting out of here. All right, so now we're headed back to the exit, to the entrance, exit, whatever, and get up out of here. Hopefully this train doesn't block us or stop right in front of us. So I wait for him to. All right, appreciate it. Good to go now. So now we're headed to Neenah, Wisconsin. We'll probably get there around noon. I don't know how the traffic is looking. You know, there's some mornings where the traffic is bad. We're not supposed to be there. We don't have to be there until 1, so we'll probably be a little bit early. Get into the appointment, which is good. Yeah, so I basically, what I'm gonna do next is tell them that you know, let them know what time I plan on getting there by, and where I'll be. Yeah, so now we're about to get onto the expressway. I'll give you guys another update once we get closer. Alright guys, we're in Wisconsin now. We are early. Hopefully they take us early. The appointment was for 1 p.m. so we might have to wait. I'm not exactly sure, but hopefully we don't have to wait. And they can load us to Avery Dennison, and this is a shipper that we've been to before. It's Been a little while since I came here. I gotta go around the back. Yeah. It was a blizzard that hit when I was on my way back to Chicago yesterday. That was kind of crazy. But the Avery Dennison, I don't know if you guys can see, the sign, but Avery Dennison is over to the left. Doesn't look like anybody's here, so that's a good thing. So they'll probably unload us right away. I'm gonna turn around because we're gonna go to like one of those stores right there. I'm gonna turn so that the back is facing the door. Just get out. Hopefully this dude looks like he might be coming in here. And we just arrived. Yeah, he's going over there. Hello, how you doing? Yeah.
So you know it's pretty close to our break time, so by the time you get in the door, we'll be going on our break.
Definitely.
So he'll get to us right after that. So go in door 15.
15?
Tandems need to be all the way back and a tire on each side of the trailer chalk for us, please.
All right, appreciate it. Yeah, so they're about to go on break. We're pretty early, so I mean it is what it is. I just wanted to get here. And that is right there, so let's get it. Let's get it. Ooh, it's cold. Oh yeah, I gotta open up the back too. We just opened up the back now. Even though I don't have my gloves on, I'm just gonna do that. Oh, it's cold, y'all. It's cold. Oh, woo! It's cold. Oh man, the window's kind of dirty. Turn around. Make sure nobody's on that side. It's gonna be this way, yeah. I'll put it like that. We'll probably be here for at least an hour. Like I said, we're early. Right now it's 11:49.